was off 4.5% from last week, resulting in 2.3% fewer contracts. It's Friday, November 4th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. The housing market drives much of the economy, with the Feds tinkering with rates to head off inflation. They are incidentally affecting the housing market. If the housing market falters, it may force the U.S. into an all-out recession. As home price appreciation cools nationally, industry forecasters have been adjusting their predictions, and these add up to more moderate price growth for 2023. This is something to watch, as the interest rate is also predicted to fall to 5.4% by the end of next year. New inventory to the market is down 7.9% week over week. For every 100 listings to the market, 100 are going under contract, a 6% increase from week prior. Over the past week, 1,352 homes were listed for sale. 758 homes are coming soon. 592 went under contract and 863 moved to pending. 1,587 sold in 15 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in Potomac for $7,990,000. Rentals rose to $2,183 from last week at an average of $2,350 per month, and days on the market were steady at 26. There is a lot of noise out there, so if you need clarification, I can provide you with the facts, data, and information to bring context to it for you. Let's talk. That's it for this week's Maryland Market Minute for November 4th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.